This week, we are going to be doing the first milestone for our term project. So, your assignment is to come up with an idea for a database that you are going to be working with the rest of the semester. So, if you have a hobby or if there's something that you're interested in, that might be a really good thing to do the database on. Um, you are going to be creating tables in Excel, just like the textbook assignment from chapter 10. And you are going to end up having to make up the data for the tables that you are creating. I do not expect you to have the tables designed perfectly. So I am expecting that you are going to need a little help with this. So after you submit the term project, I will look at it and then I will help you fix it. So, because almost everybody has tables that need to be tweaked a little bit, because this is something that you only get better at the more you do it. So to help you, I can do a video and send it to you. I can meet with you in Zoom, uh, or you can come into my office hours and we can do it in live then. It does not matter to me, but kind of expect that you are going to need some additional help with this. So I can help you before you submit it, or I can help you after you submit it. Totally up to you. It is critical that we have your tables defined correctly before you move on to week 6, because week 6 is actually creating the database and the tables. And you should not move into that phase until we know that your design is good. So the focus of this week is going to be on database design, laying out your tables, and basically entering kind of some fake data into your tables. Um, you will also be completing a discussion exercise. Now, this used to be a research paper, and I changed it to a discussion, which I think you guys will enjoy more. And so for the discussion, you're going to research one of these topics, and the topics deal with the legal and ethical issues of data sharing. So you are either going to look at it from the angle of how it impacts database design or how it affects data availability, or how those legal and ethical issues of sharing data affect a individual's right to privacy. So you need to research at least 3 sites and post the links to those sites that you researched. Post a summary of the legal or ethical issue or problem. Post a summary of potential solutions, and then indicate what approach you feel is best and why. And then you are going to look at your classmates' posts and reply to 2 of them. So you should use, full sentences and correct grammar. And that is what the discussion exercise is all about. And then you can see how many points you get for including the different requirements. So again, this is a huge week in this class because this is your design week. And if you go into the directions, I did try to help you out. Um, I actually did a fictional business. So you can actually see the spreadsheet that I created and the video showing you the process that I went through to create that. And then you can also take a look at the document or diagram that I created and the video that I went through when I did that. Okay, and most students find those two videos super helpful for this. Uh, I also have a link to some generic tables. Okay, so just if you're looking for ideas, this may be helpful, although these are larger database files than what you would need. Okay, what you need is around 6 tables, and you need 5 to 6 records or rows in each table. Okay, and that generic table example, there were a lot more than 6 in most of those. And that is pretty much what this milestone is all about. I am happy to help you guys. Pop into my office hours if those don't work. Email me. We can set up a separate time to meet. If you submit the assignment and it needs a little revision, I will let you know immediately. And typically, if you can't meet in Zoom, I just do a video and send that to you. Have a great week, and I am excited to see what you guys are going to create.